Okay, my name is Mtwana Wabanj. Twana Wabanj, or you can call me Hamish. Now let's get started. So, if you FaceTime or you always here, please leave a comment. It's very, very important for me, so I know. Okay, I have my familiar. My familiar is right here. So leave a comment and hey, visit on the Instagram page and then you can see what we do for the community. We have a feeding program, man, giving back, inspire people, especially like homeless. It's not only homeless, even people come from the very underprivileged, privileged family or community, inspire the people so they can stand on their own 2 feet with the little that we have. Okay, now let's get started. So follow me on Instagram, the same Twana_Wabantu. Okay, go and check on Instagram what we do. Let's get started. So we have a question right here. Let's see. My apology. They say solve this question. Derivative is very easy. Now before I start to solve this question, let me show you the key concept, because it's not about me solving, it's about you understanding. Okay, and this derivative is for the beginner. Okay, if somebody say derivative, if somebody give you a derivative, e a function. When you say functions, means it can be anything. Like here, see what is a function? 6x. So if you derivate this, what you do, derivate whatever you have there on top, the right behind, and then write exactly what you have, which is going to be e f of x. What does that mean? For example, somebody say derivate e 3x squared. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to derivate this and write at the back. So you can say I have to derivate 3x squared, and the answer must be at the back, and then write exactly, which is going to be e 3x squared. But when you derivate this one right here, it's going to be 2 times 3 equal to 6, and then write your x, and then 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So I don't have to write 1. Okay, e 3x squared. So finally it's going to be 6x e 3x squared. That's how you derivate exponential of a function. Now let's get to the question. So this question here is, you have a product rule, means you have a two function. Unfortunately, it's not only e is attached with something else. Look, we got two function here. We have this one, and let me cycle. I think if I cycle is more clear. This one here and that one there. So now from the product rule of differentiation, say if I have a f, means one function times another function g, let's say when you derivate, you put the first one constant and then differentiate the second one, and then you plus other way around. Now the second one is going to be constant and then differentiate the first one. So what does that mean? What is our f for this case? Our f can be 12x, and our g is going to be what? E power 6x. And now we just saw how we differentiate. So we're going to say now this is going to be fg, means this or that, the same thing. Means let me say f prime of x. So when you derivate, means going to be prime, you just put dash equal, in other way you can say equal to derivate that. So let me say derivative of 12x times by e6x, and then we have to derivate, so you can put on derivate, means dash sometime. There's a lot of what it can be. Now what is our f? F is the first one, so we're going to write our f constant, our f equal 12x, and then we have to derivate g. What is our g? Our g we say is e power something, so you have to say derivate our g, which is e power 6x. And how do you say you must plus? So we're gonna plus. Now you say g must be constant. G means this now is gonna be constant, because this is our g. Now g is gonna be constant, e power 6x. Now we have to derivate our f, which is 12x. You see? So now, sorry, just a second. I want to see if everything is there. Yes, perfect. So then we're going to say now this equal to, look, so 12x is just 12x. Look here. So we said before, if you derivate e power something, we derivate what is there on top. When you derivate 6x, it's going to give you 6. And then you write exactly, which is e, you write exactly how it is, e power 6x. Plus, you're going to plus. E power 6x is just a constant, so e power 6x. And then we derivate 12x is going to give you 12. So what we're going to do, we just put them together everything. Let's put everything together. So this is going to be equal to 12 times what? Times 6. So you can say 12x times 6 e power 6x plus 12 times, okay, right here first, e power 6x. So let's see something common here. We can take anything which is common on both sides. Okay, let's say something which is common on both sides. Choose me, sorry. So something which is common on both sides here is, if you look careful, 12 is, there's a 12, and they say here there's a e power 6x, so we can take them out. So 12 is common and e power 6x is common. So we're going to be left with x, because this went out, and this went out, and this. So here we're going to be left with x, and then we're left with what? With 6. And then with plus, see? With plus, here everything went out, 12 and e power, so we're left with 1. So if you can look careful, this is going to be our final answer for this case. This one right here, okay, we'll use another color. So this is our final answer. Now let's come to the option and see what going to be similar to that. If you can look careful, the first option is very quite similar with it. It's very similar, because the first question, even this I can rewrite, say this same say what? This same say 12 e power 6x. Then I can start to write one face and let's say 6x. Okay, which is the same as the first option. See? So hey, leave a comments below. It's very, very important. But hey, let me show you something before we stop this. Okay, let me show you something before we stop this. Let's say, for example, somebody give you this. Somebody give you hey, I don't want to make this very, very long. Okay, so for that being said, we can stop here. But hey, it's very, very important you share to our brothers, sisters, especially our sisters, our mother, our family, our brother, uncles, and aunts. Okay, share the video with them. Tell me, hey, I'm trying to just drop another bomb. Okay, mathematical bomb. Okay, especially for beginner. This is for the beginner, people who learn how to differentiate and how to deal with the products rule. Okay, my name is Hamish, or you can call me Mtwana wa Bantu. Follow me, follow my team on Instagram, see what we do for the community. By giving back, they say giving back is not only money. It could be knowledge, it could be time, it could be intellectual, it could be me learning from the community. Okay, you give, you learn from them, you learn from each other. Is it familiar? Okay, so for that being said, man, that was easy. Okay, very, very extreme easy. My grandmother told me, baby, go and break the world record mathematics. Hey, did you practice math today? Hey, did you practice math today? Easy, man. Easy. Without peace.